Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Subhan Ali. I'll be present in an in-depth analysis of Alibaba Group. Here is a table of content. Here is our discussion roadmap, e-commerce business model. And first is introduction, e-commerce model. Before discussing Alibaba, let's define an e-commerce model. It defines how an online business creates value and profit. It has four key components: target customers, value proposition, revenue sources, and infrastructure like logistics, payment system. The slide shows various revenue models including direct selling, freemium, dropshipping, many of which Alibaba uses. Company overview. Alibaba Group, founded in 1999 by Jack Ma, aims to connect small and medium-sized enterprises in China with global buyers. It's grown exponentially into technology conglomerate. Its early success was driven by Alibaba.com for B2B trade, Taobao for C2C, and Tmall for B2C brand retail. The platform ecosystem. Alibaba's strength lies in its integrated ecosystem of services supporting its core commerce platform. Key components include Alipay, a secure digital payment and escrow service, and Cainiao, a smart data-driven logistic network. Alibaba is not just a retailer but a global platform providing digital rails for e-commerce, finance, and logistics. Alibaba marketplace models. Alibaba business models comprises distinct marketplaces like C2C Taobao, a massive free-to-use digital flea market where millions of micro entrepreneurs sell directly to individuals. And second is B2C Tmall, a premium platform dedicated to established local and global brands offering a trusted high-quality retail environment. And third one is B2B Alibaba.com, the global wholesale engine connecting manufacturers and wholesalers with business worldwide for bulk orders. Strategic pillars. Alibaba strategic strength rests on three critical pillars. First one is platform ecosystem. These services feed into each other. And second one is Alibaba asset light model, reduce operational risk and capital expenditure compared to traditional retailers like Amazon. The network effect illustrated in the graphic. Attract more sellers and buyers, making the platform more valuable and attracting even more sellers. The fourth one is core revenue streams from Alibaba commerce platforms include commission fees charged to sellers on Tmall and advertising revenue, particularly profitable on Taobao and Tmall. There is diversified incomes, cloud service, logistic fees, and membership. Yeah, revenue structure. Commerce and advertising are dominant financial drivers, but cloud computing is growing aggressively while logistics service provide a steady stream. User experience. Alibaba invests heavily in UX to retain users in a competitive market. Key focus areas include mobile first design, advanced search, and personalization. Building trust. Building trust is crucial in marketplace model, especially regarding seller reliability and product quality. Alibaba employs customer service, trust mechanism, and protection mechanism. Digital marketing strategy. highly localized and digitally integrated marketing strategy. SEO and SEM, optimizing keywords for organic search and running paid campaigns to drive high intent traffic. Second one is social media, deep integration with platforms like WeChat, Vivo, and Douyin to create buzz, facilitate sharing, and drive external traffic back to commerce sites. And third is cold marketing, partnering with key opinions leaders and influencers to build credibility and drive direct sales. Engagement events, live streaming commerce. Taobao Live offers real-time product demos, instant interaction, and purchasing blurring the line between entertainment and shopping. That second is sales festivals. The 11.11 event generate billions in transactions, showcasing the power of gamified high engagement events. Payment and security. Alipay ecosystem. The Alipay ecosystem is a crucial for payment and security. Escrow model protect both parties by holding payment securely until the buyer confirms satisfaction. Fraud prevention, real-time transaction monitoring, and AI analysis continuously scan for behavioral anomalies. Third one is security tech. SSL, TLS, encryption and biometric authentication like Face ID protect user data and secure transaction. Supply chain, Cainiao, smart and asset light. Cainiao is a unique smart logistic network, not a traditional delivery company. It partners with thousands of logistics providers and uses AI real-time data to optimize tracking, routing, and efficiency. Global logistics, cross-border efficiency partnership. Cainiao focus on three areas: cross-border logistics using bonded warehouse, partnership with major international couriers, same-day delivery in major Chinese cities, and collaborating with local couriers and pickup stations to solve the last mile challenge. Key challenges. Alibaba faces a global competition from Amazon and other regional players, especially in logistics speed in Western market. It also struggles with counterfeit goods, damaging brand trust, and placing some marketplace on notorious market lists. Regulations. Stricter antitrust fine in China and compliance with the global data privacy laws like GDPR pose complex legal challenges. Logistics, cross-border trade, and reliance on third-party partners create occasional friction points. Strategic recommendations. First one is strengthen quality control. Expand the Blue Star program to verify the sellers and penalize counterfeits aggressively to rebuild global brand trust. Expand warehousing. Invest in overseas warehouse to challenge Amazon delivery speed in key international market. Third one is increase transparency. Implement mandatory ships from detail and universal tracking for all global orders to improve customer confidence. Fourth one is localized payment. Integrate local payment method like Llama or Ideal to penetrate market where Alipay is not dominant. Conclusion and futures. Alibaba is a global technology leader, thrives on its asset-light, ecosystem-driven business model. Its strength lies in commerce, payments, and cloud supported by strong network effect. Future potential lies in AI, global logistics, and cross-border trade fueling its next growth phase. Here are the references where I took the content for the presentation. Thank you for your attention.